हेलो एवरीबॉडी, वेलकम टू iExamB। एम्ब्रेस the iExamB लर्निंग एक्सपीरियंस। एनबीसीसी की रिक्रूटमेंट कुछ दिन पहले अनाउंस हुई थी। द ओपनिंग डेट फॉर रजिस्ट्रेशन वाज 8th of April and the last date closing date for online registration was 7th of May. Now the exam pattern and the syllabus has been released. There are 4 vacancies in this for management trainee law. Unreserved vacancies are 3. One is for OBC, which includes one post for PWBD. The pay scale is rupees 40,000 to 1,40,000. Maximum age can be 29 years. You need a bachelor degree in law. It can be 3 years or 5 years. No experience is required. Experience requirement is nil. Coming to the exam pattern, there will be 3 sections in your exams. Knowledge of discipline, which is your legal related questions. There will be 90 questions on this. Then general intelligence, logical reasoning, quantitative aptitude, 20 questions from this. 10 from general intelligence and reasoning and 10 for quantitative aptitude. And general English, 10 questions will be there. Total are 120 questions or 120 marks. Every question will be of 1 mark. Syllabus has also been disclosed. The syllabus for this exam for the legal portion is this. There are 18 laws: Arbitration Conciliation, Code of Civil Procedure, IBC, Commercial Courts Act, then the new criminal laws, Companies Act, Indian Contract Act, Specific Relief Act, Constitution of India, Contempt of Court Act, Right to Information Act, Consumer Protection Act, Real Estate Regulation Act, Micro, Small, Medium Enterprises Development Act, Information Technology Act, and Labor Laws. So all these laws have to be studied for NBCC exam for the 90 questions. If you want any form of guidance, preparation material, mock test in order to prepare for this exam, you can check out our Mega B Legal online course. This is an all-in-one course. We are going to include the content and the mock test for NBCC also in this course. We have been offering courses for many exams: SEBI Legal, IFSC, OICL, and many other exams, and all of them are included in this Mega B Legal course. NBCC will also be a part of this Mega B Legal course. So that's all for now. Enroll with iExamB and make your preparation 50% faster. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned.